My dear become students, I will continue the deductions. Today, I will teach you deduction under section 80GG and 80TT and 80U. This 80U is the last deduction. Under section 80GG, it is deduction in respect of rent paid ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು. Under section 80GG is the deduction under section chapter 4th A of the Income Tax Act 1961. It has been introduced to provide the relief to those individuals who do not receive any house rental allowance, but they are paying rent for the stay. Thus the individual can claim deduction for the rent paid even if he or she does not get house rent allowance. ಹೌಸ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲಯನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ರಿಲೀಫ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದು 80GG ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತದೆ. An individual to claim deduction under this section should be self-employed or salaried. 80GG allows the individual to claim the deduction in respect of the house rent paid. Such house rent paid shall be for his or her own purpose. The following are the needed to meet the claim deduction under section. The individual should be a receipt of any house rent allowance by from the employer. The individual has filed a declaration form under form number 10BA. The assessor or his spouse or the minor child or the HGF of which he is the member should not own resident house property at the place where he ordinarily resident to perform the office duties caused by the business profession ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. The assessee should be own any residential accommodation in his own ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ the quantum of deduction shall be as follows: actual rent paid minus 10% of adjusted ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೌಸ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲಯನ್ಸನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರೊಳಗಡೆ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ. 50,000 ಪರ್ ಮಂತ್, 25% ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 80TTA ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟತೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆರ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಸಿಟಿಸನ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದರೊಳಗಡೆ deduction under this section is allowed to an individual citizen who entitled to a deduction under section 80TTA or HGF. ಇದು ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಮತ್ತು HGFಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಸೇವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟನ್ನು ಯಾವುದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು, ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು, ಕೋಆಪರೇಟಿವ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫೀಸಲ್ಲಿ. ಕ್ವಾಂಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದರೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ SB ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎಕ್ಸಮ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು ದ ₹3,500 ಫಾರ್ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 7,000 ಫಾರ್ joint account under section 10 subsection 15. It means that assessee can claim a total deduction of ₹13,500, 17,000 in respect of interest on post office SB account. From the assessment year 1920, deduction is allowed under this section as follows: assessee is a senior citizen who is resident in India. Secondly, his income include interest on dependents with bank or a cooperative society or the post office ಆಗಿರೋದು. In the above conditions are satisfied ಆದರೆ the claim can be deduction under this section is to the extent at least of the following: amount invested and interest earned or ₹50,000. And the last deduction is under section 80U in respect of disabled person ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು. The assessee is a resident individual who is suffering from physical disability. more than 80% disability ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಇದು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This physical disability is certified by the medical authority at any time during the previous year ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. He furnished the certificate issued by the medical authority in the prescribed form and manner along with return of income. ತನ್ನ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಡಿಸಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇದೀನಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟಿನ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮನ್ನು ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ 80%ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ಅವನು ಸಿವಿಯರ್ ಡಿಸೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅರ್ಥ, ಡಿಸೇಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಫಾರ್ ಡಿಸಬಿಲಿಟಿಗೆ 1 lakh 75,000 ಇದೆ. ಸಿವಿಯರ್ ಡಿಸಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ 1,25,000 rupees ಇರುತ್ತೆ. The overall summary of this session is deduction in respect of donation to a certain fund, charitable institution are the concepts. I have prepared some multi-choice question for you, my dear students. That is, deduction under section 80GG, which relates to what? The answer is B, payment for rent. Deduction under section 80T relates to what? Answer is D, interest on SB account. Deduction under section 80TT relates to what? C, for senior citizen. Which is the charging section of the income from house property in section 22? Lastly, the income from vacant plot is taxable under the head dash. ಯಾವ್ದಂತ ಬಂದರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿ, ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಸೋರ್ಸಸ್. These are the deduction under section 80C to 80U. We learnt how to deduct and how to compute. All these we have learnt in this session. 80C ಮತ್ತು 80C ಇಂದ 80U ವರೆಗೂ ಇರೋಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So thank you for watching this video, and I will meet you in the next session.